viewer, Ms. Sarma Ji, is writing to us, and they hold Tejas networks, if not specified anything. So this is a prospective outlook. They just want to get a sense on the medium and long-term outlook for Tejas networks. Fundamentally, what are you making of this company?
Actually, if you saw the last couple of quarters, the numbers were pretty disappointing. Now going forward, I think a lot of the difficult times in the company's had is behind it. And going forward, the order book is good, and they look like they're going to have a better performance in the FY26. The promoter group, of course, is the Tatas, which I believe is the strength. So from current levels, I would suggest that you could continue to hold. But if you are looking for the shorter term, I think the weakness will continue over in the next couple of months. You can look to average somewhere close to about 540, 550 type of levels if you are holding for the longer term.
Coming in as far as Tejas Networks then is concerned, he may not come to you with the next one because we do have Gautam who's writing to us from Mumbai about Exide Industries 500 shares. Buy price was 500 rupees thereabout. Wants to know what your take is. Firstly, I'll take it across to you and then maybe I can get Shahina's view because he does want a combined view.
Okay, 620, 330 become half. Firstly, not much to lose, not just because it's become half. Very strong congestion area and downside appears limited. Stock is oversold, has posted a short-term bottom. Volume today is higher than the last 2 months. There is a intermediate, a medium-term base being formed. Hold as of now. I think the longer-term chart could take time to play out, but medium-term chart is clearly on the mend positively. 410 seems to be possible. Above 410, things should start looking even better. So hold as of now, hardly anything to lose. Prolonged decline, a turnaround is on the way.
Around on the mend for Exide Industry. Shaina, going to come back to you with this particular query. And Exide, our viewer wants a fundamental view as well. You know, Exide and Amara Raja both are in news today on the back of that lithium ion for batteries being included in core components by the government now. So fundamentally, that stock is this going on for it. But tell us, if you had to pick between Exide and Amara Raja, what would be your pick and what's your view on Exide also?
Yeah, both of the stocks, I think if you want to add, it's better to add at dips or new declines. If you saw the last quarter numbers, I think they were pretty, like talking for Excite specifically, they were a bit disappointment in terms of, it was like more or less a flat performance. But valuations also now are coming to be a bit attractive. Between the two of them, I would prefer Excite. Both of them are moving into the newer batteries, but the balance sheet of Excite is pretty strong. And why I prefer it over Amaraja's plans for expansion is huge in terms of the investment that they are planning. So in terms of balance sheet quality, for the longer term, I would prefer Excite.
That's the take coming in as far